Hi everyone, it's Allison from your Wellness Center. Today we are going to talk about skin purging. Skin purging is a process in which your skin breaks out from trying a new skincare product or a new procedure. Retinols, acne products, anti-aging products, and over-the-counter products are more likely to speed up the skin exfoliation process. This will make your skin purge. A lot of people think that their skin purging is a bad thing. Well, it's not. It's actually a really good thing. Skin purging actually pushes everything to the surface and then gets rid of it. A new skincare product should take about 4 to 6 weeks to get used to. It's important to remember, not all products cause skin purging. There are some products without the active ingredients. Some active ingredients include benzoyl peroxide, retinols, and hydroxy acids. Also, there are some procedures that can make your skin purge, such as microdermabrasion, hydrofacial, and lasers. If your skin is purging, the breakouts normally appear in the same places that they did before, meaning the comedones that are pre-existing will flare up. If your skin is not purging but breaking out, it will cause skin irritation, new clogged pores, and rash or sensitivity to the skin. During the purging process, be patient and be gentle with your skin. It is very vulnerable at this point. Here are some tips for you to follow while your skin is purging. Okay, so number 1, avoid popping pimples. Just leave your face alone. Number 2, avoid harsh chemicals. And number 3, stay out of the sun. If you are in the sun, make sure to always use your SPF. So just to recap, a breakout versus purging. So with purging, it would be, say you came in to get a hydrofacial done and you already break out around your jawline. And after you had your hydrofacial, you had breakouts in your jawline. That would be considered purging. If you had a hydrofacial done and you started breaking out in areas all over your face that's new to you, this would be a breakout or a skin irritation versus purging from the products. Hopefully this has helped some of you guys realize that purging is a real thing and it happens to everyone, especially after using a new product or getting a procedure done. Just remember, be patient. 4 to 6 weeks is a good time frame to remember. If you have any other questions or you need anything, visit our website or give us a call here at the office.